I had another late night on Amazon, and this time I found FerroFluid. It is this magnetic display. What's a magnetic display? It's this fluid that apparently reacts to magnets being pressed against this glass bottle that's inside of there. For ages 12 and up, not a toy. How is it not a toy? That doesn't make sense. It's for desktop boredom buster for science-based amusements. There you go. Use the magnets to move the FerroFluid and observe its behavior. Kind of sounds like a toy. Let's bust this open. Let's see what we got here. Okay, here we have... Oh wow, it really is glass. Ooh, it's got some weight to it. This glass bottle. Look at that. It's just like this little tiny glob of FerroFluid. Wow. I mean, that doesn't seem like very much. Let's see what it does inside of this container here. We also have these two magnets that look like, oh wow, that's more than two magnets. Wow, what is that? Are those magnets themselves? Oh, wow. Whoa, those are definitely magnets. You get 4 magnets. It doesn't tell you that. Now that's a bonus. Ooh, those are kind of fun. Let's see how this works. Apparently, you just stick these to the sides. Wow. Look at that, look at that, look at that. If you hold it further away, you get these big spikes. But if you get a little bit closer, start getting tiny little spikes. That's kind of cool. Oh wow, those are separate spikes. Oh my gosh, that's wild. Look, these sort of float. Ah! Okay, that's cool. Oh wow, it just totally sucks the magnet to the glass bottle. That's kind of cool. Let's get a nice strong magnet on the other side. Whoa. I can move this magnet away and it sucks it to the other side. Ah! That's wicked. Come back here. Let's go right. Oh, jeez. Those just snap right together. I can. Oh, that was kind of cool. The way those fell. Pick it all up and then boom. Oh, they didn't do it. Oh my gosh. I'm not very good with magnets, guys. I apologize. Well, that's pretty neat. I mean, I could definitely see this being used for classroom purposes, or if you're really into science and you're just curious as to how different magnetic surfaces or fluids react with each other. This is definitely pretty cool for that. You could learn quite a bit. I don't know if I expected this. I don't really know what I expected it to be. I kind of expected to just press against the magnet right against the glass and that be the only way it reacts. But I mean, here I can manipulate it while it's still got a gap, as you can see here, in between the glass. I mean, that's kind of cool. And if you look at it from just the back side, it's like a little octopus. It's really fun just to move it around. Let me add some more magnets. See if that changes. Wow, I mean, I could definitely hold it further away when I do that. And it's just got these more little guys. I don't know. So weird. How about if I hold the bottle like this? Ooh. Well, that's a neat effect. It's sort of like a chandelier. Look how I can set the magnet here. Look, it just sucks it in. Oh, that's so cool. It just sucks it like, wow! It's so cool. It just like, zoop. Wow, I want to do that again. Ah! It's like the genie effect on a Mac or something. I don't know, that's so cool. I mean, this is definitely for learning educational purposes. It's not a toy in the fact that like they don't want you opening this. I think I can open it. maybe I shouldn't touch that. You don't want you opening that and pouring out the fluid. It says it's got some sort of, what did it say? It says it has 50 milliliters of suspension fluid. What in the heck is suspension fluid? I don't know. It's definitely a trip. Oh, you can make it pour out like a drink too. Wow. Oh, it's so wild. Well, it's really fun to play with. I definitely can see someone who's into science wanting this. Or even if you're just bored at your desk, like it says, you can just have it right there and on your lunch break or whatever, you can grab it and just start playing with it or show your coworkers, blow their minds. If this is something you're interested in, we have the link down below in the description on Amazon for about $25. If you buy it, please let us know in the comments below and let us know how you found out about it, or if it's fun, if you have one, or what kind of things you guys have tried with it, or what other kind of fluids there are out there that are similar to this. I hope you guys enjoy it, and thanks for watching.